Oh, you gonna get in trouble. Oh,
I was gonna take him and have some pictures done
don't leave that stuff alone.
and send her one. But shit, I said her ass was ungrateful on the damn emails. You know? I don't owe her nothing. It ain't like I got to do something for her. So she was ungrateful, so I ain't sent her shit. But I ain't tell Lamont none of that, and I don't want you to say nothing to her
I
about it,
don't
because
even
that was
talk
the
to
way I
that
felt.
boy.
She was fucking ungrateful.
Stop. Leave that alone. Go walk so the camera can see you walk. Go walk. Go walk. You're not gonna walk?
Okay, and think it's time to change him. It's time for you to do whatever you're gonna do because I need to do some things. You know, and I don't wanna wait till 5 o'clock this evening to begin doing what I need to do.
Come on, let's go. Let's go bye-bye.
He all into everything that I'm doing. I know he needs changing. His little balls are beginning to get red again. Why, I don't know.